Welcome to the 3CX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to enable SRTP mode and how to set up the Transport Protocol TLS. You'll need to reach out to Voxtelesys support to get a ticket started, as we do not have this feature in the portal at this time. The support phone number is 701-929-9797, and the support email is support@voxtelesys.com. Log into the 3CX Management Console and open your Voxtelesys SIP trunk. Under the General Settings, ensure that the registrar is set to 3cx.pstn.voxtelesys.net. If you have a unique domain name, like one that ends with sip.voxtelesys.net, then you'll have to reach out to support and request a new registration domain. Go to Options and change the following settings. Set SRTP mode to enabled and set the transport protocol to TLS. Before saving, the trunk settings will need to upload the root certificate for the domain. To download the root certificate, go to letsencrypt.org/certificates and download the active PEM certificate. Navigate back to your 3CX and load the TLS root certificate. It should now show an expiration date. Once you're done, click on OK to save the trunk settings. Let Voxtelesys support know that the TLS SRTP is in place on the 3CX trunk, and support will verify the correct settings are enabled on your trunks. Congratulations! You've successfully set up SRTP and TLS in 3CX. Check back for more helpful videos on 3CX, as well as other helpful guides.